Let's use slicing software to understand the principle of 3D printing. We open the previously exported STL file using slicing software. Click the Slice Now button to slice. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, 3D printing is a process where plastic or other materials are heated and melted to a highly fluid state, and then deposited layer by layer from the print head onto a heated bed to build the model. Since the nozzle needs to deposit material point by point to the designated location, printing often takes a longer time. The mug model we previously designed is still too small for actual use. We can scale it up in the slicing software to achieve the desired size. After adjusting the model size, we need to slice it again. There are occasional warnings about printing issues, and we may need to make some adjustments to the printing parameters. The print time increased significantly due to the scaling up of the model. After completing the slicing operation, we can export the results as G-code and store them to disk for future use on a 3D printer. Thanks for watching.